Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update unavailable quantity to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select unavailable quantity from the store product fields. Before selecting the unavailable quantity, please ensure that you map the available quantity. You can choose from the 5 options available: quality control, safety stock, damage, other, or incoming. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the unavailable quantity field settings, the location is selected based on the available quantity field. Next is the quantity rules to reduce overselling. For example, you can set rules whenever the quantity is less than 5. It will display as 0. The quantity rules support complex conditions for more use cases. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.